Hey everybody, I wanted to do a video today, and hopefully you can hear me over my laundry on our team website. So, one of the things, benefits that you get for joining Team Abundance and I Am Academy or I Am Mastery Academy is you get many, many additional resources to help you succeed with our philosophy of only two trade setups that you need to be successful. And we use the harmonic scanner through IM Mastery to analyze and give us pairs to look at. And we have built an entire community on our Discord channel, and we also have a team website. And I just kind of briefly wanted to go through what we have to offer on the team website. So if you're hedging and hawing, or you're in the free trial, or you haven't been in a free trial yet, reach me and I can get you in one. They start on Mondays. And for people that have been in the free trial and they just haven't taken that next step to change their future, 2022 is going to be a monster year. So one of the benefits that you get is you get access to our team website. Okay, so this is the front page of the website, and right here is the recordings. And what you get here is some of our recordings that are the favorites that people who have watched the seminars, who have said, hey, this is a good one. This is, for example, a good one on break of structure. So we've just kind of targeted these as favorite ones that seem to kind of move the needle and help people, get past any stumbling blocks they might have. So these are the favorite recordings, okay? So as you can see, cycle of price, mindset, break of structure and other nuggets, break of structure, flags and order flows, and 25 trade block walkthrough, okay? And in another video, I'll go over what the 25 trade block walkthrough is. And then there's one on mindset, where some of our leaders talk about our mindset, okay? The banker's box, which is significant and a major part of what we look for in our strategy. Banker's box 2, the sequel, structure across multiple time frames. US 30 and mindset. US 30 is an indice which moves extremely fast. So you have to kind of have a different mindset on if you're trading US 30, as that's kind of one of the fastest indices to trade. And that's the beauty, is our philosophy. You could trade forex pairs, gold, crypto, indices, stocks, anything. Our particular strategy that we teach, you can trade on anything, okay? Step-by-step walkthrough, simplified top-down analysis, and break of structure in US 30. So these videos were identified as real favorite ones that seem to kind of really help people get through any stumbling block they might have. Okay, now what's unique about this, and this is tied to our Discord community, any question that you have, you can ask during our 5 webinars that we have during the week, as well as in our Discord channel, okay? Or, for example, if you're on my team, you can just send me a message. I'll answer the question for you right away, okay? So let's go to Markup Examples. So in this one is we kind of teach that you want to do 25 trade sets, and people think, oh my goodness, this is just tedious. Well, it's not, and it helps you become successful if you want to become successful. So for example, on the first 25 trade sets, we just want you to identify banker's candles. Okay, if you don't know what a banker's candle is, then obviously that's part of our strategy. Okay, if you want to get inside a free trial, let me know. Okay, if you've been through the free trial and we've kind of gone through some of those things, and then it's just a matter of you taking the next step. But anyway, so here are some videos, okay, of going through identifying just banker's candles, okay, just banker's candles. And the next step in our philosophy is banker's candle and fibs. Okay, and there's 4 videos here on how to identify both of those as far as our strategy is concerned. There's 6, there's 8 of them, 9 of them. And then the complete analysis, banker's candle, break of structure, if you don't know what BOS means, fibs, and trend, right? The trend is your friend. I'm sure if you've done any trading or no trading, you probably heard that philosophy, and then there's several videos in that. So this is all part of the training that you get to help you do your 25 trade set blocks. We find this very, very valuable, right? If you have no experience in trading, or even a little experience in trading. And we have people that are 6- and 7-figure traders in our group, or people like myself that I never traded a moment in my life until I found this company. Okay, and this helps you start to identify pairs that you can take a trade on that fits what we're looking for in our strategy. Okay, so 25 trade set blocks, and you can do that on demo. You don't have to do that on real money. Okay, and you just practice. Okay, practice makes perfect. So that's what this page is for, Markup Examples. Weekly Outlook. Now, this is one of the things, people are always looking for trade ideas. Okay, trade ideas. Do you give out trade ideas? You give out trade ideas. Now, if you're on I Am Mastery Academy, there are several apps, there are several strategies that will give you trade ideas. All quality, but you don't need that, right? Those are additional add-ons for an additional price, other than maybe the crypto. The crypto is fantastic, but that's for another time. But there's two things, okay? First of all, we do a weekly outlook every week on Monday. And this is Jay and David. And they do a weekly outlook on these forex pairs, okay? And sometimes one of our other leaders who's kind of down ill at the moment, he will do on indices, okay? So this week is just on forex pairs. And they will go over each chart on what they see, what they don't see, and potential trades for the week, okay? Literally, if you're not plugged in to our community and not watching this, then you're missing out on simple trades. The second way to get trade ideas without buying additional apps and trading chat groups and all that is when you join the community through me, I have a trading chat group where I call out trades for the week. Forex pairs, gold, indices. And I just put it in a chat, and when I see a trade, boom, I announce it to the group. You can take the trade, not take the trade, totally up to you. But basically, this is a way for you to earn money while you're learning the strategy, if you're fairly new. And depending on the size of your account, it's not only paying for your membership fee, right, your monthly fee, you can make a lot of money. So I recommend it wholeheartedly. We have an outstanding record. I've been doing this now 3-4 months, and with a lot of success. But those are the two ways. I call out trade ideas and the weekly outlook. Now, there's a third way, okay, which is, as soon as I find it. Oh, that's on the front page. There's a third way. Let me go back to the home page. Is the webinars during the week, okay? So as you can see here, the webinars during, you get about 10 or 15, somewhere around there. The last video. So for example, you're a customer, you can't make the live webinar, you have a job, different time zone. You come to this page and you can rewatch the webinar. Simple as that. And sometimes they will give out a trade idea, right? They'll say, hey, this is kind of where you want to enter. This is where you kind of want to exit. And it's just a way for the community for you to ask any question live, if you can get on it live. And obviously, a lot of our leaders, will, each day is different leaders. And sometimes by the end of the week, it's multiple leaders, as you can see. Okay. So these are the recordings so that if you miss a recording, so for example, if you miss today's recording, you can come in and it's already uploaded. Usually a couple hours, 2-3 hours after the session, it'll be uploaded, ready to go. Okay. So that is the recordings if you can't make the daily webinars. Finally, the units, okay? This is the secret sauce, so they say, okay? So these are the units and the actual training that you get involved. Now, see, the beauty of this is I Am Mastery Academy has fantastic training, fantastic. And I'll do another video on showing you that. But when you come on board our community, you don't have to go through any of that training right away. Right? We have it outlined here for you step by step, okay? So I hit Unit 1, Getting Started, okay? And this is Jason, one of our leaders, and it's a Millionaire Mindset, okay? Which he does every week and discusses what to do, how to be ready, how to start, and make sure your mindset's in the right place. So if you have any experience in trading, you understand mindset, and being in a good place is very important to trade. You don't want to do emotional trading. Again, that's for another time, okay? Then he discusses accessing the products, the Forex basics, and watch if you want to be successful trading, okay? And that's Jason. And then here's how to get access to the new products. Okay, so these are the products that you can have access to when you join us, and Forex Basics. And again, you don't necessarily have to do these right away, but it's fantastic. It's recommended. Okay, and then those are the videos. So that's unit 1. Okay, so it's really kind of part of our training now, part of our training that you go through some of the basics on IM Mastery, which is fantastic because it's really second to none. Okay, then let's go to unit 2. This is kind of setting up a broker, setting up demo and live accounts. Okay, and then as you can see, it's kind of a little module you can click to go to unit 3. You're cooking now. All right, so we go to unit 3, and this is MetaTrader. This is the app that you use to trade for. Okay, it gives you the download and install instructions, the MetaTrader 4 basics, types of pending orders, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, the MT4 for the iPhone, okay, MT4 for Android, just kind of the way to, obviously how to enter in trades and stuff like that, from the use of your phone and not a desktop, okay? Let's go to unit 4. This is VPS use. Intro, purchase, install, remote access using Mac. You don't necessarily have to do this, but if you want, you can, okay? So you could certainly connect to a VPS. And then let's go to unit 5. So unit 5 is really where the sauce is, okay? The first 4 are kind of basics. So here we go. 25 trade case study, banker's candle, break of structure, fibs, imbalance, trend, putting it all together, points of interest, double mitigation, signature trade, banker strategy, how to access the harmonic scanner, which is obviously through IM Mastery Academy, see? And these are all the videos. And of course, they're not, a couple are long ones, right? But this is the secret sauce. All these videos together is what we ask every member to go through at your pace, right? You're not racing against somebody else. It's your time, your schedule, and that's unit 5, okay? That's the secret sauce. Then we go to step 6, or unit 6, which is just as important as everything else. Why? Trading plan, proper mindset. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you do not have a mindset, treating trading like a business, then you will fail. Okay, so there's just some resources there to help you with that. And then unit 7, it's just kind of a resource. We give you a software that helps manage the trades, so you're not sitting in front of the laptop or the iPad or your phone. We give you some cheat sheets and Fibonacci drawing and configuring, some Wyckoff. This is more advanced stuff if you're interested. And just, some simple stuff. This is also located in our Discord channel. And again, this is all extra stuff that you don't necessarily have to do. This is if you want to advance, your trading as you go along once you've mastered the strategy. And unit 8, just kind of an FAQ. Trading view tips, how to pad entries, one-click trade, position side count, all that good stuff, okay? And this will help you grow your account significantly by following some of these suggestions on how to take trades, when to stack, all that good stuff, okay? And that is it. That is the entire nutshell, and it's fantastic. And this section finally is for builders. If you're interested in building a team like we do, like I am, then you can become a builder. But you don't have to. You don't have to recruit anybody. 94% of our customer team, just traders. That's it. So I want to thank you for taking the time to kind of watch this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment section if you see this on my Facebook wall. And if you're interested in a free trial, our free trial starts on Monday. I suggest getting on one. You've got nothing to lose. We don't ask for a credit card, absolutely nothing. You just jump in, kind of watch. You get access to our 5 webinars. You don't get access to any of this training, but you get access to learn more about us and our team. And if you've already seen a free trial and you have not gotten on board yet, what are you waiting for? 2022 is going to be a monster year for our team, going on year 5. I've been here the entire time, and I'm excited about the future. So if you got any questions, please reach me. You know how to reach me. My Facebook wall, YouTube channel, all that good stuff. Take care, everybody. Have a good night.